So I am going to be doing a face with the Duralar. So I'm going to take a piece and put it over this face. I found this photo on Unsplash. And I'm just gonna, I love the transparency of it because you can just put it underneath. You don't need like super strong drawing skills or anything like that. You can just kind of um, set it over and then just go for it. And I just got this set of Copic um, markers. I think I'm just going to do it all in markers this time. Just going to get them all out and we'll just play with it. So I'm just going to do a kind of a nice little sketch, maybe with this tea rose, just to get the general outline of her face and eyes, the neckline, lips. This isn't meant to be anything spectacular or perfect. I am just going to do a quick portrait with alcohol inks. So it's going to be very loose. Let's see what I got here. It's pretty light. I might use this for the light part. Just color in the light and see on here on her face. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. And then I will go back and use a different color for the rest of it. Just where the light is, not where the shadows are. See, it's a little bit darker here. This is the lightest part of her face. And the beauty about graphics I love is that you can pretty much get it back to white. In fact, this is pale fruit pink. We're going to even use this to even put the lighter spots because I colored up somewhere it's light. Ooh, that's nice. So it's like, yeah. And then let's go another shade darker. This is Barely Beige. We're going to do it where it's not super dark. It's getting there though. It's right in here. It's darker than this is, but it's lighter than. I can see where my blending is lacking, but like I said, this is just a really quick figure study. And then I'm going to do the darkest. I'm going to do copper for the really, really dark areas. And we're going to make her eyes brown just because. Actually, I think I'm going to use the black. This is a black marker. Okay, and then I've got dark suntan. Mix. Oh, I forgot the nose and the mouth. Wear some dark red lipstick. And we'll add a little brown to it too, because it's pretty pink. So I'll do this and then I will pull it up and we will look at where I need to go with my values. And it's really cool to be able to use the paper to your advantage. I mean, she looks cool now, but you can see the other one underneath. So, I mean, she doesn't really look cool, but you know what I mean? It's getting there. So I just put, the beauty of inks too is you can just like scribble like this. You guys all know that. And then take a brush, mix with some little bit of isopropyl alcohol and mix it together. Ooh. It's all about shadows and when you need to lift, paper is just fabulous for that. Now, portraits are probably the hardest thing to do with alcohol ink for me anyway. It's much easier to do it in acrylics, but got her nose really messed up there. little bit darker right here. And then, I mean, there's a little bit definition right here. I mean, that's a fairly good start for just messing around. But like I said, the cool thing is you can use a fantastic uh, um, Q-tip or whatever to lift and get some the light back up. Or blend it. But I think that's one of my favorite parts of this paper is the ability to lift to get things back up or to lift out your I don't know what I'm trying to say to go back to white. Another option is it's a great tool to use is some liquid frisket, and I use that a lot on alcohol inks because some colors will stain regardless. It's just the nature of the beast. I am looking at the reference photo and getting some of my values back in that I seem to have lost. I'm trying to avoid being ultra picky and perfect on this because it's really not necessary. It's really burnt umber, I think. But I do want to I want it to be good. This is fun. I've got my inks out for a while. I'm having fun. Damp brush. Don't want it to be too wet. Lifting. I lift with my brush. I go through a lot of these brushes. Let's add a little pink into her cheek too. And the red. little highlights here and there, and then I think it's just a quick little thing, and we're gonna put a little warm up. I have a hard time talking and thinking at the same time. I don't know about you. So I think she's pretty cute. My favorite thing to do is, this isn't perfect, and I don't want it to be. I just wanted to do a quick, see, this is what it looks like, and this is the reference, and it's pretty close. But I just wanted to do a quick portrait using Duralar, and I could sit and this is what I do best, is sit and fuss with stuff. But right now I think it's pretty cute, and I'm good. So I hope you enjoy all of these graphics presentations brought to you by Alcoholic Art Community. It's been sure fun to experiment with you, and we will see you on the next one. Oh, I'm going to splatter, because that's what I do best. Let's get a little black. Just kind of splatter along, and even a little bit just a juicy black. Because it's alcoholic, and it's sometimes the best thing is to just go with the flow and use the ink to your ability, or to the best of its ability, I'm trying to say. Yeah. She's cute. Thanks for watching.